had to climb on.
Bought this truck a few weeks ago. It's going to be a donor truck for a future build that you guys will just have to wait and see what that is. But I also got these monster ass tires and I got nowhere to keep them, so we're going to put them on the truck without doing anything to the truck. But also, the guy I bought this off was kind of ticked me off, so if you're watching this, I hope you enjoy me destroying the shit out of your truck.
Again, once we pick this thing up, it might clear. We'll see.
Well, turns out the wheel doesn't clear, so I'm going to show you a little trick to make it clear. Step 1, get yourself a sledgehammer. Step 2, sledgehammer.